This isn't just a car brand, it's a heartbeat on wheels. From the dusty circuits of the 60s to the electric dreams of tomorrow, this is the story of a rebel dressed in carbon fibre. I'm Silva Fox. Welcome to the past, present, and future of McLaren. It began with a boy from Auckland, Bruce McLaren, born with Perth's disease. Doctors said he'd never run. But Bruce had other ideas. In 1963, with little more than grit and tools, he built McLaren Racing from the ground up. He conquered Can-Am, he conquered Le Mans, he made the impossible drivable. When Bruce died testing a prototype in 1970, his vision didn't die with him. It lived on in every apex, every innovation. Bruce didn't just build machines, he built belief. McLaren in Formula One, it's poetry, chaos, and brilliance. Ron Dennis turned precision into religion. He built at the McLaren Technology Centre like a spaceship. He brought in Lauda, Prost, and Senna. Senna versus Prost. Fire and ice. 15 wins, 16 races. Senna untouchable. In Monaco he entered another dimension. Then came Häkkinen, the quiet Finn. 2 titles, 2 decades of dominance. Then Lewis Hamilton, 2008. Final corner, final lap. Is that Glock? He did it. McLaren had birthed a new legend. But then came the fall. Alonso, Honda, heartache. The memes were funny, but the pain real. Then the rebuild. Zak Brown came in like a storm. He brought sponsors. He brought hope. And with him came the new generation. Lando Norris, the fan favourite, the sim racer turned podium hunter, the one who laughs and then flies, Oscar Piastri, the quiet assassin, calculated, cold, brilliant. By 2024, he wasn't just learning, he was leading. McLaren doesn't follow eras, it defines them. You don't just drive a McLaren, you step into a world where design, danger and desire collide. The F1 wasn't engineered, it was composed. A centre seat, a V12 from BMW, and just enough gold foil to make alchemists jealous. Not just a supercar, a benchmark, a car that made time blink. Then came the SLR McLaren, built with Mercedes, brutal, beautiful and impossibly loud. It wasn't just fast, it stormed past. The MP412C, the reset, the rebirth, F1 grade tech, digital damping, a carbon tub that hugged the earth, then the P1, a 903 horsepower philosophy, hybrid madness and track day euphoria. It didn't whisper the future, it screamed it. 675 LT arrived, stripped down, tuned up and begging to be thrashed. A long-tail weapon that rewarded only the brave. Then came art in motion. The 720S, all fluid curves and alien eyes. It didn't turn heads, it held them. Speedtail, a spaceship in traffic. 250 miles per hour of silent authority. Elva, no roof, no windscreen, just you, and the air trying to tear you apart. Sabre, a US exclusive scream. 824 horses and a silhouette like a blade. And then the Artura, a new species. V6 hybrid, fast, frugal and laser focused. Artura Spider, the same but now with the sky. Solus GT, born in the virtual world, unleashed in reality. 1 seat, all fury, and finally the W1. Not a prototype, not a promise. It's here, a hybrid V8, over 1,000 horsepower, active aero that bends physics, AI that learns you. The W1 doesn't ask if you're ready, it makes you ready. McLaren doesn't make cars, it makes transformations on 4 wheels. But then came Nick Collins with CYVN, not a rescue, a rebirth. A merger with For7 changed everything. Now, AI co-pilots that evolve with you. soundscapes that mirror your heart rate, hyper SUVs that speak in split times. This isn't just evolution, it's electrification with emotion. The combustion era was an orchestra. McLaren's next concert, electric, symphonic, soulful. McLaren shouldn't be here. It started in a shed, almost ended in silence, but every time it came back because it refused not to. From Bruce's spark, to Senna's storm, to Lando's fire, to Piastri's precision. This isn't just a brand, it's a belief. This isn't just speed, it's memory, it's defiance, it's McLaren. What's your McLaren moments? That poster on your childhood wall, that time you heard one roar down the street, that moment you swore you'd drive one. Drop it in the comments, tell your story. And if you're still watching, you're not just a fan, you're family. This is a tribute, a prophecy, a pulse. This is McLaren. I'm Silva Fox, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos soon.